Hello everyone, this is Ieasha of Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and today I am going to take all of my Easter eggs and decor down. I am running late. I've been busy with my children, my husband, and we've been having a lot of activities and things, so I haven't had time to take these down yet and put something else up. So that's what I'm about to do. And I am going to let you see me as I take these down. And I'm going to do something different here on my fireplace mantle. And I'm also going to hang, I think I'm going to hang the hula hoop photo frame that I made with my husband and with me and my husband's anniversary pictures. I think I'm going to hang it right there where that clock is. But if not, I'm going to hang it on this wall, because as you see, this wall has nothing there. And this is my couch. I have to clean up, y'all. I haven't did anything. My kids came in here, clothes over there. So I am going to start to clean up also. But if I don't hang it there, and I may have to get my husband to hang it there, I will hang it on this side right here where that clock is. But I am about to go ahead and get all these Easter decorations down and replace them with some other type of decoration, probably like some vases or something that my husband bought me for Mother's Day, but we will see. So stay tuned. Alright, so now I am in my dining room, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove the the Easter eggs, the Easter decor that I have in here on my buffet. I'm gonna go ahead and remove it also. And I'm gonna keep my Easter eggs for next year. I'm not gonna throw them away. And I'm also gonna keep this little stuff here. I forgot the name of it. Y'all, I've been cleaning up all day. So, what I've learned to do in order to keep things neat, try to keep it neat. I have kids, so I teach them also to clean up and how to do what they're supposed to do. They're good girls, so yeah, they have to learn how to do things. But I've learned to take it one room at a time. That keeps me from being so frustrated. And this is called grass. I just remembered the name of it. So I'm gonna keep the grass also. And I'm putting it in this bag here. That's why you see me just dump it over in here. So I'm keeping that also. Alright, and this is the little basket I told you, like a little Easter egg basket. And now you can see it very well since I've taken everything out of it. I'm going to put it away also. I may do something later with it, but I'm going to put it away. But right now I'm going to leave it here. And as you see, I have my Easter egg candle. And you know, these can be used for anything also, but I'm going to put them up and save them also. And here's my Easter basket. So I'm just going to take my flowers out because these are spring and summer flowers. So I can add these to a centerpiece or a bouquet or whatever I want to make out of it. So I'm just going to put these on my table for now. And I'm just going to put these away for now, okay? Now here's the other one. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and take off, this is my Easter tablescape, Easter/spring tablescape, but I'm going to go ahead and remove a lot of the bunny rabbits and things from, actually, you know what, I'm going to remove everything from the table, and I'm just going to figure out, I have some ideas on what I want, so I'm going to clear everything off of here. So I'm going to remove these glasses first. And I have 4 of them. And these are my napkins and my napkin rings. So I'm just going to remove these and fold these back up for now. I'm going to wash them and everything to get them all clean. They shouldn't be dirty, but they've been on the table for a minute. And these are my chargers and everything. These plates. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stack my chargers on top of each other, as well as my plates. And I just said this little thing. This is what my daughter gave me for Mother's Day 2005. So I had this on the table also. I just had placed it on there. So I'm going to put this back up too. I've been keeping it. So she gave it to me. All right. And all of my bunny rabbits are going in my buffet. I'm going to put them away, as well as this little man, this little bunny rabbit. Also my little Happy Easter car, well, truck. I love it. My candles, I can put those back on there. And these centerpieces, I'm going to use them, but the only thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove the little egg picks, my flower centerpiece, but I am going to take this out. And I'm going to save this one also. As you see, I don't throw anything away because I can always reuse it. All right, now be gentle with my plates because I don't want to break anything. And as you see, I still have my flowers here that I did for my mother's tribute to mom. And of course, I'm gonna place these somewhere. I may put these in the kitchen, or I don't know. I may leave these on the table until I do the Father's Day tablescape. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. going to do now is go ahead and put my plates up in my buffet. Alright, so as you see, I've taken all of my Easter tablescape and I call it Easter and Spring tablescape up. I decided to just remove everything, and I put this beautiful, I guess it's like a potpourri type of jar or something here, and I didn't have anything to put in. I've had it a while. This is in one of my I think I got it from Kirkland's. Yeah, I got it from Kirkland's. My Kirkland shopping haul. And I just decided to add these beautiful hydrangeas in there. These are the ones that I had from my mom's Mother's Day, my mom's tribute to mom. And I purchased these right here from Michael's. Yeah, they was from Michael's. I had ordered them online, and I think they was like $2.50 each. And they are yellow and pink. So I just decided to add them in here, and as you see, they turned out beautiful along with my table. Everything coordinates very well. So that's what I did right here. Alright, so I'm about to go. My last thing that I need to remove for Easter is the Easter wreath that I have on my front door. I know you all probably seen that when I made my hula hoop picture frame, and like I said, it is overdue for me to remove all of this Easter stuff, so that's why I decided to go ahead and do it today. Alright, so we're about to go outside to remove this wreath. This is my egg wreath, which needs to be taken down. Alright everyone, so that is it for my Easter egg removal of my Easter egg decor and tablescape and everything. So I will show you what I put everything up on my fireplace mantle, and I'm gonna have to get my husband to help me hang the hula hoop picture frame up, because for some reason I can't get it up there. So he will be helping me with that. So I will come back and just show you how I decorated everything for spring, summer, or whatever. I mean, I usually don't leave things in the same spot for long. I switch it up, switch it around, because I get tired of looking at it. But I will show you. so I am back, and as you see, I have taken down my Easter eggs and decoration that I had up for Easter. And I know, like I said before, I got a late start on that, but it's better late than never. So I went ahead and took that down, and as you see, I have replaced, I took the little trees that I had here, and I took them and put them in the dining room, in each of the corner in there, and I will show you that in a minute. But as you see here on my fireplace mantle, I went ahead and added, my children had painted on some canvas, so I went ahead and put their paintings here, and I have a video uploaded on that. And so here's the painting. I think that's the one that I did. I think I did that one, and one of my twins did that one. And here's the candle that I did include from the Easter, my Easter tablescape. I just took it from my dining room and just placed it here in the middle of the canvases, the pictures. And this is one that my oldest daughter did. And here's the other candle on the candle holder. All right, and here's another canvas. And here's the other one that my other twin did. So I decided to display their artwork, beautiful as well as mine, because I did the first one there. And as you see at the top, I decided to leave my clock there. I was going to add my hula hoop photo frame there, actually blend it in better to me with the color scheme that I have going on here. But I did put it over here on my wall where I told you that it was bare, didn't have anything on the wall, and there it is there. And my husband said it looked better over there because of our couches kind of match a little better, so I put it over there. Well, he actually put it over there. And as you see, I have cleaned up my living room. I did all of that. Okay. All right, and the vases that I said that I was gonna put over there on the fireplace mantle, I actually put them right there under our TV. All right, so now I'm gonna take you into the dining room and let you see that, where I put the trees at. Okay, so there is one of the trees that I had my Easter eggs on, and I'm just gonna, I haven't plugged it up yet, so I just put one here in that corner, and the other one is over in the other corner of my dining room. So that's where that is. All right, and there's my hydrangeas along with my potpourri jar. I decided to place those there. All right, so I hope y'all have enjoyed your day. Be blessed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.